Hey guys, I'm here doing the first in a series of videos, what's in my makeup drawers, and the first drawer at the top of my little set of drawers is blush and bronzer. So my first video here is going to be my collection of hard candy blushes. I think they're all considered blushes, but I use this one as a bronzer. But I have 4 of them. Bought them at Walmart. I think they were somewhere between $6 and $8 a piece. I'm not sure if there's any more blushes, baked blushes that Hard Candy makes or not. They come in a nice little plastic container, and as you can see, there's a reflective piece around the top with some little decorations, and it says Hard Candy. It's a clamshell, opens like this. The 4 colors I have are 126 Pinup, 128 Bombshell, 127 Honeymoon, and 125 Living Doll. So that's the 4 of them. I'll do some swatches here. Again, this was Pinup. So it is fairly frosty, and I did find that to be the case with all 4 of them. This one was Honeymoon. I don't know why I'm using 2 fingers. That's kind of silly. There, I'll blend them in there. I apologize if my lighting's not too good here. This one is Living Doll. They're really pretty. Let's see that one. There, that's a better swatch of it. I'll put it on my arm. I'm not getting a good view of them on my arm, but we'll just continue. And the last one, again, was Bombshell. And again, that's the one I use mostly as a bronzer. And that one is fairly pigmented. I didn't find that to be the case with the other ones. The other 3 are really frosty in my opinion, which is okay if you're going to just use it as a highlighter, but I don't care for the look as much for a blush. So those are the Hard Candy blushes. And I'll have another video up soon. Talk to you later, guys. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you know I swatched these Hard Candy blushes again. It's bad on here. I'm going to insert a picture. Oh, hey Barbara. But anyway, this was a pretty heavy swatch, but it's kind of changing my mind about them. I know I said I didn't like them. The dark color that I said was a bronzer is coming up like a really coral color, and the other brownish tone, I don't remember the name of it, it might have been Pinup. It's like a champagne, you could almost, I don't know, I was going to say you could almost use that one as a bronzer, but the two pink ones aren't showing up in this light very well, but they're really pretty too, so I might just keep trying though. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.